Now friends, very important, two reactions together. It's commonly known as friedel-craft or friedel-crafts reactions. These reactions are actually of two types. One is known as alkylation and another is known as acylation. So alkylation and acylation, two reactions, both are Friedel-Crafts reaction. One is Friedel-Crafts alkylation, another is Friedel-Crafts acylation. Both reactions are similar, so we learn them together. So most important thing, alkylation is addition of alkyl group. Alkyl means friends R, and acylation group is called COR. So in alkylation we will add only R. R means methyl, ethyl, propyl like molecules are to be added, and in acyl, acyl means COR, that is COCH3 like compounds are to be added. So first of all, alkylation. Alkylation further here divided into only two parts. That is first methylation and second is ethylation. Actually, methyl is added when in methylation, ethyl is added in ethylation. What happens in the reaction? So in methylation, we have to use Cl3Cl and AlCl3, that is anhydrous AlCl3 is used here as a catalyst, and in ethylation, C2H5Cl and AlCl3 are to be used together. So first reaction is methylation here. In this reaction, in first step, this CH3Cl, that is chloromethane, is reacting with AlCl3 to gives us once again this chlorine will move with CH3 plus will obtain and AlCl4 minus will be obtained. So this is methyl cation produced from chloromethane and AlCl4 unstable for short time. In this mixture, when we add benzene, this is the structure of benzene, as you know, C6H6 is mixed with CH3Cl and anhydrous AlCl3. In that case, friends, out of this CH3, these two are mentioned on the arrow, but between these two, the reaction takes place first this, and then after benzene is added, friends. That's why this H will be displaced by this CH3, and it will give us CH3 is on the top, friends, and this hydrogen will join with the excess chlorine to give us hydrochloric acid. This is methylbenzene, which is commonly known as toluene. So friends, this is called alkylation. In alkylation, this is called methylation. The second reaction, this is called ethylation. In this reaction, instead of CH3Cl, we have to take C2H5Cl. This is chloroethane. This chloroethane, once again, with AlCl3 to gives us C2H5 plus and AlCl4 minus. This is ethyl cation, which further friends react with benzene molecule. The reaction is C2H5Cl anhydrous AlCl3 and this C2H5 will join with benzene and hydrochloric acid will be removed. Same reactions are there. This is methyl benzene or toluene and this is called ethyl benzene. Reaction mechanism and other things are similar, friends, but the only thing is that instead of methyl we are using ethyl in the ethylation. So two products we obtain, one is methyl benzene, one is ethyl benzene. Now after this methylation and ethylation, the next is acylation. Acylation is carried out by either Cl3COCl, acetyl chloride, and AlCl3. This is one option. And friends, the another option is acetic anhydride, that is Cl3CO twice O. And friends, once again, the AlCl3 is used as catalyst. What happened in the reaction? Let's check it out. So first of all, friends, when this acylation takes place with CH3COCl, in that case CH3COCl plus AlCl3 will give us CH3CO plus and AlCl4 minus. This is the first step of the reaction in which, friends, we obtain acyl cation. This is acyl cation. This acyl cation will attack on benzene. So this is benzene, friends, and this is CH3COCl, AlCl3. Here somewhat little heating is required because COCl3 is a heavy functional group. So this part will attack on benzene to move the Cl out, and friends, we will obtain the product COCH3. This is the first product we obtain in the acylation reaction, and friends, this chlorine will, or we can say the hydrogen which is removed from here will go with the excess chlorine and we will obtain hydrochloric acid as byproduct. The name of the compound here we obtain is acetophenone. Acetophenone is the product we obtain here. So this is the first, and the same reaction can be carried out by using CH3COOCOCl3. This is acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride. This acetic anhydride in presence of CH3COCl, AlCl3 with benzene. AlCl3 is the catalyst here, anhydrous AlCl3, and this will react with benzene. And friends, hydrogen from benzene and this part from acetic anhydride we remove as CH3COO and H. This is called acetic acid, and friends, this part will join on benzene to give us the acetophenone. Acetophenone can be also named one more, in which two carbons are taken as a main chain. So two carbon is called ethane, and on first carbon ketone is there. So ethane one on is there, and on first carbon phenyl is also present. So one phenyl ethane one on is the IUPAC name of acetophenone. Acetophenone is common name, friends. So this is the reaction by which we can get acyl benzene. This is called acyl benzene, commonly named. This is also acyl benzene. And here is, friends, Alkyl benzene, this is alkyl benzene. Alkyl and acyl are common names, friends. Here, methyl and ethyl are taken as their IUPAC names. So, methyl benzene